A good risk assessment can't leave any stone unturned. The cybersecurity landscape is more complex than ever, and organizations need to understand security impacts of every decision they make. This is where structured cybersecurity risk assessment comes in handy. It's a strategic framework that gives organizations a full picture of external dangers and internal vulnerabilities across their ecosystem, helping them prioritize security investments. Here, we'll outline the 5 steps of performing a cybersecurity risk assessment. To dig deeper on all things cybersecurity, click the link above or in the description below. And remember to subscribe to Eye on Tech for more videos on all things business tech. Step 1, scoping. To identify the scope of a cybersecurity risk assessment, organizations need to set clear boundaries around what will be evaluated, such as critical internal systems, sensitive data repositories, public-facing assets like websites, and external connections like supply chains and remote work infrastructure. This process allows an organization to tailor the risk assessment to its specific threat landscape and focus on the most significant areas of risk. For example, financial assets stored at a bank can be excluded from the risk assessment since the banking institution already manages those risks. Account access for deposits and withdrawals, however, is clearly in the organization's scope. Step 2, risk identification. Once the scope has been set, security architects can start examining risks. They should consider physical risks, like from natural disasters, technological risks, such as weak security settings, or human risks, like an employee clicking on a phishing email and inadvertently helping a threat actor. Step 3, risk analysis. When vulnerabilities are discovered, they must be traced to every corporate function that they touch. This can be illustrated with the dependency model, a diagram that shows how vulnerabilities will affect specific organizational functions. Vulnerabilities are then divided based on their impact value. Objective impacts are usually mapped to dollar amounts. Subjective values usually refer to the loss of trust or other hard-to-measure occurrences, and hybrid values involve a mixture of both. Step 4, risk prioritization. Every organization has unique risk tolerance, so customers and assessors should discuss what specific risk metrics are appropriate. It's best practice to offer the customer a cost-benefit analysis that maps assets to revenue so they can determine the priority level of each. Step 5, documentation. Finally, organizations compile their findings into a report. It should include the specific vulnerabilities and threat actors they face and the level to which they are prioritized. It should also include a mitigation plan and a path that discusses both near-term tactical actions and long-term strategic goals. While it can be tempting, you shouldn't use AI to create the report, since the tool's training data can interfere with the proprietary risk assessment data. Do you have any risk assessment tips? Share them in the comments, and remember to like and subscribe too.